Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Chairman General.
Yes, Kabila.
It has been 70 years of victories, attacks, and struggles, and remaining the hope for Ghana.
Victory, attacks, and struggles, and remaining the hope for Ghana. Victories.
Attacks, amidst attacks and struggles, remaining the hope for Ghana. Now, victories no kwame. Say your party that's what tiasim kwa no. Is victory enough? If it's a Yamanyokwe, Anonkwani Amanyokua, Oba Abaimua, Mpremienu, Yetuna Dieso. Gedi Kain, 1966, 24 February. Kunyina Batain, and Supreme Court Wakase, unconstitutional and illegal. The Tosumienu, 31st December, 1981, ye 2 PMP Abain. The second coming of the CPP, and also so Supreme Court waka say unconstitutional and illegal. I won't hear say ye did just so Ghana ye mamuha. Now and what you know come party bien one more ya tro nsem say ye de egu ne hu fi etutu na se te say yamanyokuo CPP. Party bien one more ne kofa bai. Yabo modern cross ye betwe na siama 1966 school na chi ye catcher ne maame e wo commission of inquiry anim say onka say enye ne bakra no it happened but ni nyina mu no kwame the CPP remains a dominant force in this country's political engagement and activism say ya nya no a enye ma bebre wo hodo mo a enka nkomodie kra e bia nka mai 2000 ye Frank Katuni Professor George Hagan nkomodie mu ade ba kwa na esina ni so pa ye constitutional overhaul say ye hu behia say amamra 1992 yi ye besa kire mu ampanyampa kwame 5 years down the line African peer review mechanism ye wo mu review ye hunu say na say ye hu bibi e ma president Kofo e wo Khartoum South Sudan e ka say esese ye hu bibi wantimi anya hu bibi na ofiri aban mu Mampani Atamels anyone who pray Franka Tubre 2018 na omo ka say esese ye hu bibi ampani ampa ye sha say ye hu bibi 2009 besina me no ken Chairman General
e ba cho wa ofre pa sajide on radio studio
ensetremu a ehu hia ema constitution ya ene obi agitum mpo Mampani Dada Rollins ye de man no waje tu say esese ye se tremu CPP ho nyama ya ye no ba kono no 2004 ora George Opesika Agudi o kan sem bi ho hia say ye be ma madi tintima e wo ya man yonsem mu gender and the friends deprived and marginalized communities no say one be integrated in your development agenda. Chairman General,
yes, correct.
Research bebre I don't know say ye kone ye ne ma na nkwa omudodo e chen. In fact obinfu bi ka say the political consciousness of a nation no is measured by the political activism of its womanhood. And also so no 2008 ye nyina ye kai adwuma wura ye di nyuma be ye the center of attraction. Many obinfu bi a owo eye bambon semu kasa ye na o ka say one of the triggers of insecurity joblessness. Dr. Papa Kwasindum leading the CPP ye man a clarion call say if we give jobs to the people, the young men and women in this country 2016 Ivor Green Street leading the CPP I get no aka say your natural resource endowment human material say ye kan nyina bom ne ye constitutional overhaul ye mama ne bedi wo mu dibre hu hia enuma ko mema ene mabunu ho no a ebeboa ya ma esika sem ntotoye akoye di amaye tamanti wanu nyina ye niema ye de ahoaho say ye wo mu say ye tibia ye wo in terms of the numbers e wo fom de enso ye se a che na muye esene abebo nyina de we are down but we are not out and ye bom modern say ye be ye niema ebeboa na me child last week da edi kan a ye shase say ye bedi juma June 11 Tuesday 2019 Chairman General ye ne deprived and abandoned children with disabilities or and orphaned. Beye se oha any aduonum mofra wo mu adi dem na bi ya nyanka ne nwisia na ebi no so won ma wo mu ni dem kra but wo mu ya nyanka ne nwisia keke. Ye twonum free miamia bi te say OH Africa, Osu Children's Home, Echoing Hills, Multi Kids Africa, any Accra Psychiatric Hospital. I mean, now we say Accra Psychiatric Hospital, and I'm afraid one more did them, yet the only be a good.
Yeah.
Inappropriately so, because that's not their place. They don't have mental issues, they are disabled, and so yet the only go.
Because baby and for more.
Yeah, we don't care. The government and the state does not care. We don't care about these people because we are different. The CPP's integrationist agenda, I shall say 1962, for rural and urban rehabilitations of persons with disabilities. No, ye pesa ye san to asubium. Ye bomb Penny Kufuor Basu say, or ye persons with disability law 2006. And so, and then akakakra if you say. A legislative instrument as I say a mano and what the amanitimidia jumano yentumi nyai afenso so ensempo ye kan wo sakrata no mu say ye moratorium for 10 years I ended 2016. All government buildings were to be converted to give access to persons with disability, with the exception of the Ministry of Employment and Manpower. Kwame ministry bia ni hono ma why this ade no so now in the area besina ye kasei. Even constructions of governments, state buildings are here, no, it will be all any access. Now, there, yeah, and they said, even the office of the president, Jubilee House, it was constructed without by after 2006 passage, but we didn't consider this access to persons with disability. Chairman General, you feel say as I say, this uncommon. If you say, on my way, na shall and Timpoa Yananum, one would say necessary is to be an integrationist nation without excluding any section or group of people. Now, Kwame, you can say no. Juma Dina ye no, Adiachi, and na ye chef, not me expect to send Kobeba. Now, Chairman General, one San and San Frebano pay the wire dear Boa Basso, wire dear. I Kwame, anyone, Econeba. Enipabinum soya saying. Relaunch of the convention newspaper. Me ma copy. And now after so fundraising kakra. Sikana ye nya ye no Chairman General. Me kanina bomwa pledges ne de nya ye no. Am kwani mu kese ye nya be 20,000. Esa. 20 cities, 20,000 Ghana cedis. Esa. And I'm saying panifo ye to nsafre wonom bi ama. Ebi no omo kadu ba visa ebe ya but ye guso a ye fundraising towards that. Now Kwame Misrel nipa ye bia osayi ye ne nkwara na mebo omu din ko feast ye no ye nya sponsorship ye nya support one me boa ye say mebo omu din na ye bo omu abaso and am trade minister so e ma ye ne Kasapreko Company Limited. Omu maye 300 packs of soft drinks, fruit drinks for kids.
Great.
Am kwada no 150 na omu baye no obia nya ne pack e de koy. In fact, uhwemu a obia said me chere say ye nche no obia benya 2 enkwada na e baye no. Ansana Vital Milk Ghana Limited. Ma Jane ono so enam womo so ema ye package about to feast about 150 children no omo de obi anya 11 and Healthy Life Ghana womo so eboaye na kwa me maka ni say no nipa bi no so yi moa e wosika fam 100 wo ha 200 wo ha 500 wo ha 1000 wo ha 2000 5000 Chairman General ebi no wo no ma womo mpese ebebo omudin tie mo omudin but ye do bi biara se. The program continues to the extent say you see your name and penny in the cabinet ebeshia as part of this 70th anniversary celebration.
Okay.
To rethink and rediscuss the subject of Ghana and the way you see Niamande. If the Kwame never be brain necessary ye nsachemu wo ho. Enti any Academy of Arts and Sciences enso beshia. Wonom wo sha omu timu po ha ye de sha se 1959. So you say Omo founder ne Kwame Nkrumah there. Academy of Arts and Sciences. It was to give an intellectual mind to the governance of this country in terms of education, health, energy, agriculture. Sane me nyina womu ye bidie ba ye fi se trimpa e ma womu hyase no ene se ye san ekọ na ekodi san komo no biom. Ye ne wonuma wonim die wa disua ho nsem mu education sector ministry no any stakeholders GES ese ye ni omu di nkomo efisa kwame heads of institutions. Education is the one key thing a liberating oman for mentally and psychologically. And this say your psychological and mental attitudes no well and I trimu po any adwina ye dwene no ankoye de ye hwehwemu na akoye se de be ka kire bia ye fa no saa e ma oman entumpon na ne krakra no kwame
yes
nyame ya domo a ye be sa ne mai afimu no nyina ama ya climax no on the 12th of June 2020.
That's
by
1
which
year.
time no, yes, by which time no me sure say unim say na o man de ekoso na ye ni nyina so no na ye bom modern say ye ni anuanom a ye nyina ye wo gidie say da ye so any anisodi hu no a na kuta ye kofa bae Osajifu Dr. Kwame Nkrumah say ye bedi ya nkasa ye ho say ye be pri ye die ama obi biara say ye be pri abibremu nkabomu. The right to self-determination, social justice and equal opportunity, Pan-Africanism no. Yebe mana bam ewa bibremu ha eni Ghana no. Yebe ye amana bamu ye. Na yenya na musifo ewa mrashe bajafie. If you say ngwase say ne uko parliamenta akoye NDC ni MPP nkwa. Ngwase ma ye. Ngwase ma ye so say yen performance ewa presidential levels no enkoye. Na ni nyina no ejina nkitahudi a ye ne Ghana fo ebedie. Enti mesra Ghana fo timamufo say yesra mo enfie mako aduonu ensianie 26 years and ya practicing multi-party democracy e wo fourth republic NDC ni MPP wo kam bomu a eye sika kro no a afanu na wo mu gina but eye kasa kro no a na wo mu nyina wo mu ka en sisa omanfo shebre ene oman ya nkasa ye shebre yi enti wonuma ebo wo mu kwadu pa wo pese otia tie de NDC kafa MPP ho na tie de MPP kafa NDC ho. The verdict is that they are not doing enough for this country. Yani ayetie chezo kwame, we agree with them. So their combined effect is actually not taking us where this country ought to be. One more ye don't bet me aye 26 years ye do man ye so mu nkwansam ye sesam ye sachiramu ne ma ya nkasa ya setrane ye bra so and reflect sa sesa ne nsachaya ye pe no ne krakra kwame ye da nyame ase eye fiada memeneda ene kwasiada ye ko enkramo som ema Sheikh Nu Shaributu na nkasa na obompa ye ma ye ewo aboso kan eye Central Moscow Kwame Mpaye obo enemu edu wase party awoye biama Ghana pen titi party onyan kanyan a ebema natumi asan be ye adwuma ma Ghana biom memene da ye call Prince Emmanuel SDA Church ne sofo pani eye Dr. Divine Aivo onu ne di animu one Dr. Sampa wo mu ne di animu asofo akukudam bompa ye de ma eye oman Ghana ene oman Ghana mpanimfo ene amanyoko CPP se obenyan kanyan asan abeye adwuma de ama Ghana biom ni kwasiada ene e call eye Action Faith Chapel International Kwame Enra Archbishop Duncan William na nkasa one na sofo mpanimfo ho so ye disredi a yesre ye de ma mpani emrahye badwafie ene atemuafo e wo Ghana ye ni timamufo ene sebi not sebi what ni titru the ubofo the media say ye be responsible na yetimi aye ye chefa bi ehu hia say be ye oman ya tumpon no ono ahososo wo mbompa ye de maye na ono so eka disi so say ne papa party no na obompa ye etayachi nyame adomo a ye be ye bibi ama party hu aya kono ama omanfo so aso emu na ya be som oman ye de ne de eye oman esom enye se oman ebe som yen Kwame mi wiesa na me da wase akwanya wo de ama me anopai ama macheche sansem yimu na as the celebration goes on no it is also a call to the party membership say yɛbɛ yɛ deɛ sɛ yɛtumi yɛ ɛwɔ constituencies mpɛsoa so ɛne regions nyinaa me ne mo kasa party ma to ho akyɛ ɛne yɛde yɛ party
Convention People's Party. Say be
comfortable
and my break me fan to so preko kwame be your comments on what head teacher
Nana for you.
Papa.
CPP at least 70. PPP more all shit or CPP.
In fact, Kwame, let me say this. Me da se no me jabium. The Progressive People's Party, the New Patriotic Party, the National Democratic Congress, the People's National Convention, and the Patriotic Front UFP, United Front Party, Jataba Party, no. Kwame omuba program nase. The solidarity message and we are doing pa ebai.
Of what value?
Or with the value say, yen kamum. Na yenya juma. Na Mr. former president say invite you me papa J Kufuor. Ono nkwa ne soma na musini ma ne baye. Papa yadawasi ye ni so ye wo ye no. It shows your understanding ene wankasa no so no de wo kai se CPP ya boa wa ma watimi aba ba mu pay in 2000.
This FM 104.3 Would you mean